Hi dear friends, this is Rincy. We have recently launched a new ease magnetic zipper. This zipper is usually used in some coats. Now I will show to you how to use this zipper. You only need to pull the slider to the end and then separate the pin and balls. And if you want to combine the zipper, you only need to close the pin and balls, and then it will close together automatically. And then pull the zipper again. It's very convenient, so this zipper is usually used for firefighters or some people can take care of themselves. Very convenient. And we also have the non-magnetic zipper. This one you need to combine the pin and balls by yourself, but it's very convenient also. Just like this, you need to attach the pin and balls manually, and then press here and pull the slider. It can be combined together, so you can choose the different zipper according to your needs. If you want to buy our new magnetic zipper, you are welcome to contact us.